Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Instagram HTTP error 429. So in this case all you have to just go here in this search bar and write cmd. Now go to the first option, open, sorry, not open but as administrator. I'm real for this. Go run as administrator, click on yes. Now all you have to just write here sfc space / scan now. Now hit enter. Now you can see that it is already started 5%. It will be 100%. So we just minimize it and go to the next step. What to do? Open any Chrome and go 3 dot, which is top right corner, this one. Click on this and find help and go to about Google Chrome. Now you have to check your update version, it is up to date or not. Okay, if it is up to date, just leave it, or if it need to update, then update it. After doing this, go to privacy and security. Now clean your browsing data, this one. Now select all of this, go to advanced and select all of this but not this two, password and other sign data. You auto fill from data. You can uncheck these two options, rest you can check. Okay, now clear, click on clear data. Now let's go to the third step. Go to here extension and you'll find all of your extensions here. Just you can remove the extension what you don't need right now. Okay, like this, I don't need this extension Discord mate for now, so I'm gonna just remove it. Okay, so yeah, then after doing this, you can cut this up across this and go back to your command if it's 100% or not. No, I'll be right back when it's 100%. Now it's 100% and it is saying that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity or violations, but if you find any violations, it will be automatically resolved by Windows command prompt. So all you have to just again do things like second command, ipconfig space / flush flash DNS. Hit enter. Now again another last command, netsh space winsock space reset. Now hit enter again. Okay, now after all of this, go to your start option and try restarting your device. Okay, so after that you will have your good work. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.